Good morning, YouTube. Happy Sunday morning. So the rest of academ open up. I have some on the tree. I'm gonna pick them because get them a dry up. But first, come take up some laundry with me now. Let's take up some laundry. Guys, look here. Watch puss. Watch puss. Who calling her? So I hope y'all like my new bonnets. Yeah, me's a bonnet girl. I don't know why I call it shower cap. It don't matter. But it's cute for me. I forget a couple more from the girl. I've got to pick up some clothes. So I hope you're enjoying your Sunday morning. Yes, pussy galore. One army a cat. I know that's not the correct term, so guys, no matter what it's the cat plus experience. Watch cat man. Guys, subscribe to the vlog. Subscribe. Alright, so this is the Sunday pick. Great. Can't cook the scotch bonnet, you know. Great scotchy. Great scratching on your food and your rice and peas. Great scratching. The national pot already on the flyer. So chicken is fried. Beetroot are cut out. I can't reach them. The beetroot, cucumber, our mango, yeah, juice I make. So guys, subscribe to the channel. If you view my channel more than 5 times, you need to subscribe. Hit the subscription bell. Right? Actually, chin chin, like it you. I think we're not perfect.
She could never make you cry. 'Cause the scars on your heart are still mine. Tell me that she couldn't get the sting. She can almost be the worst of me. Say, but she's just eating up your dreams. Let me know when you're ready to prove. Maybe you just need to stay for me. Maybe
taking a close up. Chicken. Oil pepper now. So it's a chicken kind of Sunday. Alright, juice I'm gonna make now. Yeah, guys, happy Sunday to you. So the kitchen up and running. Yeah. Sunday looking good. So comment below if you like my new bonnet. Alright, so the juice finished mix. So this is beetroot, mango, cucumber, ginger, pineapple, and I think we sugar in it. Yeah. Rich organic juice with a tubes of sugar. So this will be put in the fridge to chill. But you know, before dinner even ready, this is going to be finished. I will check in for the chicken. So the mirror brown up and then take out. So the new batch is in the pot. It's a new batch. Alright, so the next batch is out. Chicken almost on fry. What a steam. Alright, the rice and peas pot ready. Just waiting on the meat pot, guys. So the chicken pot is well seasoned up. I will check. All right, the dinner pot is ready. So let me get the rice and peas into the plates. Yeah. So comment below, let me know what you're having for Sunday dinner. Make a next spoon to take out the meat. All right, let's go. I know he's a leg person. Yeah. Dinner ready? Dinner ready? Hey, dinner ready? Yeah, I am full. Woo! Whoa!